Every child deserves the chance to play outdoors in nature. Through unstructured, imaginary play outside, children learn social skills, important lessons about life cycles, cause and effect, and how we interact with our environment. Through support from the national initiative, Cities Connecting Children to Nature, Public Health of Madison and Dane County, and the Madison Parks Department came together to create policies that would promote better equity and health outcomes through connection to nature for all citizens of Madison. A unique part of this program included additional collaboration with Madison's Wanda Fulmer internship program. Over the summer, 6 youth interns worked with children in a community garden and created an outdoor play space for kids at a community center.
I never got to really farm before, but I never got to really get really involved in it, doing tomato twining and picking out the weeds. To see what stations they have to go through to get to a tomato, how it gets from the garden to a grocery store. And it's fun being outside a lot. Last week we did arts and craft, and there was a lot of kids that liked what I did, so they wanted to copy off me and wanted me to help them.
They're digging for worms so they could feed it to the chickens, so they find the worms or they find a couple, and then we go to the chickens and they just hold them up and feed the chickens. I know that the chickens like the worms better than they like the sunflower seeds, because once you give them the worms, they're just no, we don't want sunflower seeds, we want worms.
Part of our trade-off is that we do photo voice and stuff here for our project, but we also help with the farmers market and building this park. So it's kind of a partnership. So we built a sandbox and some tires. There was a lot of focus on having things for kids to do while parents were gardening and harvesting and that sort of stuff.
Well, we built a nature playground for the Central Espanol, for the parents when they work in the garden and stuff. We did so much prepping. I'm just happy that we got it done.
The planning takes a long time, right?
No, I don't really be outside that much. Well, I do now, but before I didn't. Before this internship, I wasn't really outside much. So, brought me outside more.
They also interviewed children, teens, and adults about how they interact with and benefit from nature in their community.
Do you spend a lot of time, do you go outside a lot?
I don't think so.
Do you prefer to stay in the house?
I stay in the house every day when I go home.
Do your mom like you being outside?
No, she doesn't want me, or she doesn't want my sister.
Because is it safe or no?
It's not safe. Because my sister likes dogs, but I don't like dogs or puppies.
It's important to hear the opinions of the children because they do spend a lot of their time outside. They're mostly the people who go to the parks, and they're the people that we want to get outside so that way they can lead healthy lives.
From this summer of research and youth experiences, new policies are being developed to promote connections to nature and community. Public health, parks, and the youth of Madison are looking forward to the next phase of implementation and connecting more of their community to nature.